you're someone like me, then you wasted a lot of your time actually clicking here and there on your browser. But today I'm going to tell you some shortcuts that you can use inside your Google Chrome browser to make your life easier. So it's not actually restricted to Google Chrome browser, it will work on every single browser out there. They are almost the same, right? So how you can actually use the shortcuts to make your life easier, right? So the very first thing is actually navigating backward and forward through the links inside your browser, right? So you click on Google, you search for something, then you went to the website and then you want to go back, right? So if you don't know the shortcut, what you have to do is go to the top and press the back button and it will take you back, right? So but if you know the shortcut, your life is easier. So what you have to do is just press the Alt or Option key on your keyboard and then press the right or left arrow. That will actually help you navigate right means backward and forward in your browser. And the second shortcut is quite easy, right? So when you open tabs in your browser, they're actually arranged from one onwards. So when you open your browser, you actually open many tabs, and when you want to navigate between tabs, you have some simple options. You can actually navigate by just clicking on the specific tab, or if you know the numbering of the tab, you can actually press Ctrl plus the number on the keyboard, and then it will actually take you to the specific tab, right? So if you are on page 1 and you want to go on tab 3, then press Ctrl plus 3 to actually make you go from tab 1 to tab 3. So the third trick is completing the address bar without you typing the www and the .com at the last. You can type Facebook and then press Ctrl plus enter, and it will actually open up Facebook. It will include the www and the .com at the last itself. So what you have to do is just type the name of the website and press Ctrl plus enter, and it will attach the .com with it automatically, and in that way you will be able to save your time and do some cool stuff within your browser. Fourth one is also quite simple. If you were on a website and then you think that I will come to the website again and again later on in time, so you want to make a bookmark of the website, so it will stay on the top of the bookmarks on your browser. So what you have to do is you can actually bookmark it from the search bar itself, or what you can do is press Ctrl and D on your keyboard and it will automatically add it to your bookmarks. In that way you can actually access that bookmark after 2 or 3 days, or how long it takes for you to actually revisit the site. Fifth one is quite simple as well, right? So if you are on a very long website and you are searching for your name, maybe in the merit list or other list, and then you want to search your name or your relatives' names or some other specific information of the website, what you can do is press Ctrl or Option and F on your keyboard and then search for the specific term, and then you will get the results from 1 onwards to how many it finds there, right? So then you can actually press the next button and you can get your desired search result inside the website without wasting any of your time scrolling through the website searching for the word. Similarly, if you want to see your history, what you have to do is just press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard and it will show all the history of your website browsing, and then you can actually go back and select the website that you opened previously and you want to visit that right now. And the other option is actually seeing your downloads. Press Ctrl and D on your keyboard and then it will take you to your downloads tab, and from there you can actually see the files that you downloaded and use the files or open the files, whatever you want to do with your files. So the next option is very useful. If you want to search on Google for some terms, then you have to actually click on the search bar and then retype the word. But you can make it easy with shortcuts using Ctrl plus K or Ctrl plus E on your keyboard. What you have to do is, while you are on any tab or you're on Facebook, Instagram or whatever, just press Ctrl plus K or Ctrl plus E on your keyboard and search for the term you want to Google it, right? So then you actually press enter and it will take you to Google and search for the term. So this one is very helpful if you want to open a new tab. What you have to do, and I didn't know this previously, right? So you would actually scroll up to the top and click on the new tab icon and then open a new tab, right? So but you can make it very easy by just pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard and it will open a new tab for you directly, so you don't have to do anything. Just pressing Ctrl and T will open the new tab for you. And if you want to actually if you're on a website and you found a link and you are actually trying to open the link in the new tab, what you can do is press Ctrl and Shift on your keyboard and then click on the link, and it will take you to the link in a new tab, right? So in that way you will not lose your search results and you will get the desired website, and then you can switch back and forth between the two tabs and extract your required information quite easily. Similarly, pressing Ctrl plus W on your keyboard will actually close the tab. And the last one is very simple. If you accidentally deleted some tabs or closed some tabs and you want to reopen them, but it was about 3 or 4 steps from where you're currently now, so what you have to do is press Ctrl Shift and T on your keyboard, and it will take you 1 step back and reopen the tab that you've closed, and hitting it multiple times will open all the previously closed tabs that you closed. So after you've done it, you can actually subscribe to Noor Tech Tips by just clicking the subscribe button below the video and also hitting the or ringing the bell so that you won't miss any future videos from us. So I'm signing out today. I'll see you again in the next video with a brand new topic. Till then, it's a goodbye, and as always, peace out and see you again.